Meet the Pika 2.2 video generator, your new companion for crafting short, impactful videos up to 10 seconds long, all in glorious HD 1080p. What makes Pika 2.2 stand out is the innovative Pikaframes feature, which brings your images to life by smoothly transforming one image into another, right before your eyes. Transforming images is as easy as 1, 2, 3. Select any 2 images from your collection, upload them to the Pika 2.2 platform, and let the neural network take over. Watch as it adeptly creates a seamless and cinematic transition between the 2 images. The result? A stunning video that carries your vision forward. Why choose Pika 2.2? It's all about taking your creativity to new heights. Whether you're a professional creator or a hobbyist, Pika 2.2 adapts to your needs, offering an intuitive interface and remarkable output. It's perfect for social media content, digital art, presentations, and more, wherever your creativity flies. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video with fellow creators. Keep creating, stay inspired, and catch our next video for more cutting-edge digital tools.